Hi guys, it's me Alex Comunica back with you guys with another video, and today we're actually gonna be doing something I've done on my YouTube channel before but kind of haven't done it. It's an unboxing video about something, but today I came more prepared than Aiden Day. Today I have an iPhone 7 recording up here, and then I also have an iPhone XR recording right there. So yeah, we came prepared this time, and now let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're gonna head on to Walmart. To Target right now. We're gonna go get the AirPods. Cinematic mode. By the way, I don't even know why I said like cinematic mode even though there's no cinematics. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Apple in any way. And also wanted to say that this recording is actually been recorded by the AirPods microphone. It's pretty well built in, not gonna lie. Alright, and now let's get back to the video. So we're driving, and then, well, next thing you know, there's police and a crash. We finally arrived at Target, and guess what? There's a Tesla out here. I'll show you in a second. This is a Tesla Model 3. Yeah. So I don't even know if they let me record in Target, so I'm gonna just leave the sneaky pocket record. So yeah.
Did you want them?
Yeah. See that? What's the price of them again?
With taxes. Did you want the protection plan with it? The protection plan is $45 for 2 years.
What is the warranty?
$45 for 2 years. It covers accidental, so pretty much anything as long as they're not stolen. So if there's like a shortage in them, or if there's a spill on them.
I wouldn't get it, but
It just, the only thing that I would suggest getting it for is if there's like something wrong with the charging case that it comes with. You would have to get a whole new case if you don't do the protection plan. That's the only thing I suggest, not the headphones themselves.
yeah. But it has a 1 year, right? Through Apple?
Automatically, I believe so.
Tiene un año como quiera.
And just like that, guys, we got the AirPods. And, well, skip time to where the actual unboxing video starts. We have the Tesla Model 3, and that's a dual motor. Jesus. Oh, it's a dual motor. Okay, and as you have might seen from the title, you may have known that this is going to be a AirPods unboxing video. But this is not just the regular AirPods. These are the AirPods wireless charging case with, the ones that charge wireless, not the ones that you have plugged in. So this was actually $164, I think, because it was Black Friday. But when it's not Black Friday, these are $199 in Apple, and it's kind of expensive to replace the case because it's $79. So yeah, well, let's begin with the outside, the cover. What does Apple give you for that price? Because I personally don't think these should be this price, but magical is Apple describes them as magical. Let's test how magical they are. So first out of the box we see the AirPods. Well, this still has a plastic cover. I just wanted to say, still you as every Apple product, well, I'm not sure if it's every Apple product though, you feel that texture, like that popping up texture, like you feel like it's just drawn to the box, but it's not like drawn to the box. At the same time, it's like you can like touch it, and you can clearly, it's like 1 millimeter out of the box. So, you know, it's kind of cute for Apple to put. And well, let's go to the bottom of the box. We can see our labels. It says compatible with iOS device and Apple Watch, and you know all the things that it's compatible with. You also see the Apple wireless charging. It gives you all the details, made in California, made in China, you know. And then on the sides, as we can see, we get that Apple logo, which honestly, if you put it on the line, on the light, you can see it's kind of like a silverish color, which is kind of fun for Apple to put. So far, I still don't think that these should be that much overpriced, which I honestly think they're still overpriced. And in the top, as we can see, we see AirPods wireless charging case. So on the back we see the case, like I think this is actual size, I'm not sure. And it just gives you your labels down here. Now let me just go get a knife. iPhone XR. So we got a knife. We're gonna open the AirPods. Okay, back to the iPhone 7. So I'm gonna open this very carefully, because you know you don't wanna damage these boys up. That'll be pretty bad. And disclaimer, this is an actual knife, so yeah. But I'm over an adult supervision, so there's no problem with that. Okay. Can anybody just put in the comment section, why did he just say okay 3 times? Because that was weird. I don't even know. Okay, so we cut the plastic off. So yeah, we just need to take these off. And then, are you guys ready for the grand revealing of the AirPods? Because I am super ready. I'll just tell you that. Alright, 3, 2, wait. So, Apple describes these as magical. Let's see how magical they are. 3, 2, 1. Oh, remember my iPad video where I said, like, when stuff, like Apple stuff is like brand new and their packaging, you have to like really shake it so that it opens, because it's very stuck. And yeah, we got it out. Are you ready to see the AirPods, ladies and gents? 3, 2, 1. Well, fooled you, because of course there had to be an Apple in California sign. Yay. So now let's just like get this out of here, because yeah, you know. And so as every product there, it always has these designed by Apple in California signs. Are you kidding me? Not like signs, but like cards. And you know, it's pretty cool, but kind of old school. So now let's get like actually inside the box. So we have the AirPods, however, you don't want to see the AirPods first. Like, get that out of here first. let's check the cards. So first you get your cards. Get this out of here. You get your AirPods. There it tells you all the manual, how to like set them up and everything, which is kind of cool, but not cool. that did not make any sense at all, did it? And well, you got stuff and more stuff. Yeah, I'll read it later. And well, this booklet is actually thick. It's like almost 1 centimeter, I would say. I don't really know how to measure centimeters, because you know it's USA, so we don't use centimeters, we use inches. And so yeah, I would say this is 1 centimeter. I don't know, you tell in the comment sections. I don't know. And well, here comes the AirPods. Oh my gosh, that looks just so cool. That looks so cool. I love this. Oh my freaking god. So you have some more stuff down here. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to pop that out of there or something. I don't know. I don't care. So this packaging is kind of weird because it's in like a weird position, sort of. I don't even know. Oh my gosh. So let's actually get like the plastic out of this. Oh my gosh, isn't that just so cool? And oh my freaking god, just look at that. No scuffs. It's just perfectly round, and then it just has like no fingerprints. And then you open them. Holy, you get that LED. It's just so, it's just so cool. Oh my. Okay, I don't know. This is just so, like, it's cool. It's really, really cool. You get the option where you can charge them wireless. Sorry, I just can't speak anymore. I basically say that in every video. As you can see, this is pretty cool, actually. Like I just love the snap of those magnets going together. I don't know, it's just satisfying for some reason. Let me know in the comments if it's satisfying for you. If you have AirPods, leave it down below. I will be interested in reading the comments down below. And, well, the AirPods are described as magical. I haven't tested them yet. I'll skip forward in the future when I like actually test them and tell you guys if they're magical. For now, I'm just gonna say something. See you in the future.
Okay, this is Alex from the future. And guess what? Well, I've been using the AirPods now for like about 12 hours or, close to that. And so far, my experience has been like really great. These AirPods are really magical. They include a USB to Lightning cable, which it's an Apple alone is like $19, so it's very crazy. So, are they worth it? $199. I think it's a little bit overpriced. However, if you consider all the stuff that it brings with you, all the features and gestures they can just touch and all that, it just makes it a product that should be $199. So, are they overpriced? No, they are not. Would I recommend them? Yes, I would. I also had to include this part in the video, which is really, 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 really important. You put the AirPods in the case, right there, as you can see, and literally 3 seconds and you're done. They're connected to your phone and you're able to listen. And another crazy thing about the AirPods is that let's say the AirPods die, you put them in the case, 15 minutes later, you get 3 hours of battery, which is crazy. So yes, I would totally recommend them. So yeah, guys, see you until the next video.